Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the important boundaries shared between the different countries. So first we will see the boundaries shared by our country with the neighboring countries, and then we are going to learn about the international boundaries. So what is the need of drawing the boundaries between different countries? So, so the boundaries are the geographical borders of political or legal based limitations such as countries, customs, territories, and sovereign states. This process of the creation of a border between two countries is called boundary delimitation. Some international borders has a free movement area like the European Union, so which is lightly guarded or completely open, and some countries like India Pakistan border or the North Korea South Korea border may be heavily patrolled with access control through designated crossings. So here we are going to first of all know the boundaries shared by India with neighboring countries. So first one is the McMahon line. McMahon line. This line is drawn by Sir Henry McMahon, and this line is shared between China and India. Okay, so this line is drawn between India and China, and this line is drawn by Sir Henry McMahon. This line is recognized by only India, and it is not recognized by China. So next one is Radcliffe line. This line is drawn between India and Pakistan, and this boundary is drawn by Sir Cyril Radcliffe during the partition of India and Pakistan. So next one is 24th parallel line. So this boundary line is drawn between India and Pakistan, and actually this line is shared between India and Pakistan, and it comes at Gujarat. So next one is a line of control. So line of control. So this line of control is drawn between countries India and Pakistan. So it is called as a LOC. And the next one is the line of actual control. This boundary is drawn between the countries India and China. So the next one, Durand line. So this line is drawn between the countries Pakistan and Afghanistan. Sir Mortimer Durand has drawn this line at 1896. So now Afghanistan is not recognizing this Durand line. Only Pakistan is recognizing this Durand line. So next one is Siegfried line. This boundary line is drawn between France and Germany, and this boundary line is drawn during the Second World War. Next one. So next one is a Maginot line. So this boundary is shared between the countries Germany and France. So it was a defensive line at the French border to Germany before the World War II. The Maginot Line has followed the successful invasion of France by Germany following the outbreak of World War II. So next one is Oder and Neisse line. This boundary line is shared between countries Poland and Germany, and this line is drawn along Oder and Neisse rivers. So this boundary line is adopted at Poland Conference 1945 after the World War II. So next one is Mannerheim line. This boundary line is shared between the countries Russia and Finland. So Finland has built this line as a defensive line against the Russia during the World War. So next one is the 17th parallel line. So this line is drawn between South Vietnam and North Vietnam. So 17th parallel line is a latitude from the equator that separates the North Vietnam and South Vietnam. So next one is the 20th parallel line. So this boundary line is drawn between the countries Libya and Sudan. So it is located at the northern latitude, 28th northern latitude. So that separates the countries Sudan and Libya. So next one is 22nd parallel line. So this line is drawn between the countries Egypt and Sudan. So here the name 22nd denotes the latitude, 22nd latitude. So next one is 25th parallel line. And this line is drawn between the countries Mali and Mauritania. Okay. Next one is 31st parallel line. This line is drawn between the countries Iran and Iraq. So this line, so 31st denotes the 31st latitude that separates the Iran and Iraq. So next one is 38th parallel line. This line is drawn between the countries South Korea and North Korea. Next one is the 49th parallel line. So this parallel line is drawn between the countries USA and Canada. So if you observe, the numbers denotes the latitude here. Okay, so 49 degrees latitude. And this line forms the international border between the northern USA and Canada. So next one is the Purvachal, that is the operating zero line. So this line is drawn between Bangladesh and India. So next one is the Pak Strait. So this boundary line is drawn between the countries India and Sri Lanka. So the next one is blue line. So the blue line is drawn between the countries Israel and Lebanon. So next one is green line. So green line is drawn between the countries Israel and its neighbors, that is Lebanon, Egypt, Jordan and Syria. So next one is the purple line. So this line is drawn between Israel and Syria. Okay. So next one is the Mason-Dixon line. So this line is drawn between the 4 states in the United States of America. So the four states are Maryland, Pennsylvania, Delaware in America. The marginal line. So this line is drawn between the countries France and Germany. Okay. So next one, Curzon line. So this line is drawn between Poland and Russia. So next one is military demarcation line or armistice line. So this line is drawn between the North Korea and South Korea. So this is about the important boundaries of the international boundaries. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.